Hi, I'm going to show you a short video of the outside and then I'll do another one of the inside. This is a 24-foot Kit Companion travel trailer. It's probably the nicest one you'll ever find. Even though it's only a 97, it's like new. Electric jack, brand new. Two big propane tanks, two big RV batteries, 4 jacks all the way around. The paint is, the decals are perfect. There's no, peeling or anything. I've upgraded and put brand new steps that fold up on the inside. I kept the old ones just in case anybody wants to take those off. I put an assist handle for us old people like me. And I bought this brand new RV cover that's perfect fits for a 24-foot. It's got all brand new tires. The wheels are packed. The spare tire's new. And anyway, it's a model, just so you know. It's a Kit Companion. That's the only peeling of any decal. And it's a model 24 GT. But 24 foot, it only weighs 4,400 pounds. It's immaculate condition.